Hindi ako makalaro.
Go, Yani!
Taray?
Wow, Yani!
favorite 6. Tomaso. Seven against 4. Favorite 7. Eight against 4. Favorite Article Steve. Now serving Article.
Huwag na lang natin ipalo.
Nine against 4 in favor of Article Steve. Let's go, sister. Our one score, 10 against 4, favor of Article Steve. Now serving Article. Oh, Tomaso. Running score, 11 against 5 in favor of Article Steve. Oh. Tomaso. Nakuhaban guys. Running score, 12 against 6 in favor of Article Steve. Running score, 13 against 6. It's an outdoor. Pinasa nila ito. Pinalo natin. Oh, nakakuha na. Running score, 13 against 8. Favor
Ano yung madulas ha?
So, Ops, bola, 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 bola. Stop mo na. Bola. Halo. Stop, stop mo na. Stop mo na. Yeah, the ball is running score, 13 against 9 in favor of Article Steve. Ops, substitution, eh? Okay. It's an outball. Warning na guys, warning. 14 against 9. Minsan, ibuha natin. Pinasa ng ating building. Pasok. 8 plus 1.
Nga, pinuna mo. Wala na yan.
Next game, PBG2 versus Panther. Masok po kay PBG2 Panther. Karoon mo na gusto na yung kami Mary Pasok. Nandiyan na si Ate Carmen. Guys, pasok na.
Dito ka? Kung hindi,
At Ate Mary, welcome back.
kung last time sa akin.
Okay, guys. Start.
Kasi nakakahiyan ng pag nag-record.
Dadapaga kasi nakakahiya.
Kaya ako, dito ka palagi sumasali.
Minsan lang, napupunta.
Pero wala ka talaga ng team.
Walang team na. Isang person
At si Ate Celine yan dito. At yung mga baby girl. Si Ate Baby.
Ano kaya natin? 30 din. 30 naman.
dito matutong kasi. Dito kasi ano.
Nung sumali kami last time, di pa, dalawa lang kami ng team. Kasi outdoor.
Kasama na, hindi pa to. Kasi bago ko na, kailangan talaga nasa. Hindi siya pwede. Hindi pa naman
Friday, Saturday. Wala kang ano. Anak pala natin marito yung nakawal. Ayan, ayan. Patagal na yan. Tagapangkasinan mo bro. Nakasabay namin sa metro, nagkapunta sa parang nakapagkasinan. Sabi ko isa yung mga nakapunta dito. Ay, nakablock. Tagapunta sa pangkasinan. Baka makinig ka sa may babae dito. Wala talaga silang ano, pang lalaki talaga. Baka makakulong. Ay, naglalaro ng boxing. Ang sino?
para hindi isa-isa dito.
Magkakahiwalay pa nila. Kaya rin ako, no? Ay, magkakapit din ako sa kanila. Nang tayo kaya?
Next game, Prince Python Bottom. Prince Python Bottom. Next game. Wala.
Walang winarning ang muna.
the Pink Panthers. Now serving Ate Luna. Pag nandito kayo, ay tingnan daw dito na ano. Sausage. Ay, happy girl. Yan na, humahabol na ang Team Luna. Ate Ashley. Pink Panthers ang nanalo. So, Pink Panthers, Botron, Pink Panthers, Botron, okay na guys, Pink Panthers, Botron, pasok. Guys, Botron! Ate CJ, ibatin mo yan. Sabi nga, hindi ko alam pangalan ng team na. Uy, pakilala mo mga team. So guys, pasok. Pink Panthers, happy? Happy! Happy? Okay. Okay. Let's get BBG1. Pink Panthers ulit. Kay BBG1, Pink Panthers mamaya. Walang pahinga ang FS ha. FS, Ay, may ganun pa naman ito. Next game, FS 71. FS 71 next game.
Next game, 1. Kasi ito na yun. Lagay mo.
Instead of people up there, Survey, Marching. Block service, back reception, 2 to 4, 4 air, over, score is all 4. Service again, Marching. It's a short service, 50 moving the reception, after that, pass ball by Marching, Padulo. There's a section, 1%, there's a pass, there's a drop ball, still good. So there's a drop, missing time, off by the ball, and the drop ball, up for the reception. And the miss, communication to the center, and the striker, that is 5-4. Civics, Jenny, the grade. Up. Large, and with a hard ball, but the ass box, it's not injured. Score is all 5. Shout out po sa ating best in dance, Miss Donald from Cebu. Large, Civics. Hard service by Raj. Up by Jude Pagos, the guy, and it's not over. Score is 6-5. Now in favor of Team Mochi.
7-13. 7-13.
Right. And the celebration, it's a service. Point Team Mochi, our score is 7-5. Service error, point team. Service, Jude. That's the dug up by Max, there's a press, and a little dug up by Jude. This is the first game. Binigay ni Ate Jen sa kabila, watching the set. Kuya Oil, chance ball, what will the set to? To the out, and to the red, one check ball, point. Team Aaron on score all 7. Shout out. Still serving. Jude, wow, body put Dug up by Bioli. The CM chance ball, what will the center to and it was inside.
Last 2.
and dug up. And chance ball, but will down. Team 0, another chance ball. Both teams, 1 to 7 to Massimoto the boss. 3 ball, which ain't working anything. Very Christmas. Point team. Hindi ko lang kung team sila. Score natin is all 8. Wow. Service. Nice back up. Massimoto the boss. Open and it's not over. Point team coaching. Official score natin guys, it's 9-8. Still a keep it off. Long service, move it up, backward attack. Yeah, it's not over. Still 1 point to Student A. Our score is 10-8. Still in the service line. Guys, that's done. Dia sa 4 sa 3. What was it? Juga sa 5. March to the left. Sa 2. It was a miss. Calculation back.
Baby Gina, next game. Baby Gina, FS is staying. Let's play. Let's fight. 4, 3, 2, 1. FS is in game. Next game. Baby Gina. Baby Gina.
That's super coaching. Into press coaching. And down the line. Our score is 12-9. Takbo lang daw yan, sabi ni Mr. Ranch. Is this going to catch up or will the team of coaches will dominate this game? Let us all find this out. Here is a toss with a catch up, and it was inside the point team coaching 13-9. Special shout out to Manakal ball out. This is Eve, chance ball, drop where best to. And it was not over. Our score is 13-10. 3-point deficit by Team A. Tatlo lang daw sa Mirage. And it was outside. Too much juice in the service. It's now 14-10. Last 2 for Team A. Nice service. Dapat by Raj, brings a 4. And it's still not over. Match point Team A. Official score is 15-10. Match point. And the service, dapat by Mochi, brings a cross Raj. And it was not over. And congratulations to Team A for winning their game this game. Our next game is our next game will be 1 versus 3 and 1 versus 3. Hello. Again, kita na sa ating from America and Egypt. Ang pagbagsang Egyptian. And this communication by the center and number 4. Up by Donna to Boss and other miscommunication. Our score is 2-0. Gumawa na lang ng 10% of the win. And goes inside Super 6. Another services, it's a back-to-back aces by Team 3. Official score is 4-2 in favor of team number 3, Team Donald. Service. Another floater service. Nice back up. Chance ball, 1-4, 7-2. Bring is a toss. Bring is a toss. And cross for the attack. Yes. Donald, do not ask. Sila sa 4, Donald si ate. Binigay sa toss. Ronaldo, drop shot, and that game is not good. According to our referee, point team number 1. Nice service. Dapat Payola sa toss, and winning, and it was a block by Byron. Donald, looks over the line, excellent set. Still in the finish line. There's a seat, pinasa sa boss, Tiabawe, and what a cut shot that ended the heart of the net. It's on the flip over. Bala, with the chance ball, just a position on the front, with the toss, and check ball! Point team number 3, our score is 8-6 in favor of Team Donald. Donald, nakakanood, 3-1. Again, okay na ito. Ano ba? Depende po eh. O diba? Service, darab. Dagabay naman. Madali na lang. It's inside.
Kasi lang naman sila.
Baby, you can basa. Congrats on basa. Baby, you can basa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, basa. Karina natin, Lorraine, Bonnie, Mary. At George, Manicalizet, Princess Basa. Okay, guys?
Service. Long service. Too much juice on the service line. Point team. Our score is now.
Awat ko na ba dito guys, Ate Joynie? Ate Joynie, nagkakata ba ng squad? Then, sino pa ba? May nagkakata pa ba iba? Sa Ate Joynie? Punta ka daw doon. Marami daw gustong bumili sa mix. Ate, ayan na. Shout out na yun. Pagbalik mo. Next game, ABC versus Pride Spikers. Oh, sorry. PS Team 3 versus Panther pala. Team 3 versus Team 5. Team 3 versus Team 5. Panther versus PS. Panther versus PS.
Up on center. Making the best high ball. To the top. Ball out to proper. Chance ball. Best communication. What did I say? Rest and go. Still not over. Match point. Team 12. Our score is 15-10. Guys, step up. Making the best. Drop ball. Has Steve Milan. The boss. Short service. Check ball by Joanna. Miss. And our winner for today is Team 12. 16-10. Our next game is 2-5. Ayun. 4. Kaya dito na kayo 4. Our next game is 2 versus 5. Dito ka ulit mo naman! Ready ka na yan. Baka may naglalap ng mga ano dyan. Event schools. Outside, service error. Point team number 2. Outside, service. Another outside, back-to-back service error for both teams. Service, dive. Toys up. Moving goes to Papa. And Piana G with A. Service. Nice service. Dabang by number 2. Moving to the press. 1. Dabang by Binabot ni Raj. Nakulangan. Point team number 2. Score is all 2. Dagang balay, Desmond sa 4, tinaas si Mochi, binigay sa 2, Raj, Jackson, Rasitan, binigay sa 2, alam ni Jackson, Mochi, Super Winning Group, Rod, binigay sa 3, Son, and Ross, outside, ball check throw. Service, Mochi. Another hard service out by 1. Binigay sa Dos. Santos. Raj sinaas. Sinaas kay Raj. Tinalo yung Raj. And down the line. And do not receive. There's a miscalculation on the receive from the spike of Mr. Raj. Our official score is now 6-2. Still in favor of team number 5. Services, Mochi. This game is brought to you by Team Bog and Oasis. Last minute point. Dropping off West Brooklyn. Score is 8-3. 14. Dagat by Oli, transfer the motion, together fly, a butterfly, large swing it out, give the pass to Oli, but shot by Dagat by number 2, and the dot on ball, and too much juice on this right, point, team number 5, official score is 9-4. Again, this game is brought to you by the Oasis Water Bottle. Shoutout po mula sa ating gangster gang. Pero dalagang Pilipina, Miss Jenny. Pero saan? Aba, mula sa top. Award, Daddy Boss, and this circulation on this board. 10-4. And this communication by the referee on number 2. This game is brought to you by Justin Rice. Silver Swan, Justin Rice. Offensive KV volleyball. Salamat sa mga kapatid sa ating this message to them and their love. A drop shot. What enough speed by Happy Bell. Our score is 11-6. Service error. Team number 2. Team 3 versus Team 5 pasok. Team 3 is up in the Still on keyboard of team number 5. This is the strong deficit for team number 5. Service error. Service error. Points. Team number 5. Last two of team number 5. Service error. Club level. Nice service. Dagat by ball. Binigay ng 4. Line in transport. Gusto po tikot. Sa dagat. Match point, team number 5. Miscommunication. Our next new score is 4 versus 6. Now to the team. Last ball. Drop play.
Nanggigil na si Rans.
Special po naman siya, yung gangster na buko ng Cebu.
Kay B talaga.
Uy, basa. Official score is match point 12. Showcase, Gandara.
Gandara. Ay! Gandara talaga.
Congratulations, Team number 5. Hello. Coach A.